buyer and you have been looking for your dream home. Finally, you find a house in the best neighborhood and it's in the school district that you wanted. But when you enter the home, you like the floor plan. Unfortunately, the master bathroom is not your favorite, and kitchen, you hate the kitchen. Seller is not going to do any of the repairs or make any changes. Are you going to pass on, or you are going to listen to today's Pro Talk? I'm with Joady and she's going to talk about a new solution for this case.
Yes, I'm Joady Rubin. I'm with Certainty Home Loans and I love renovation loans.
So, could you explain what is a renovation loan?
Well, if you walk into that house and you just hate the kitchen, you hate the bathroom, but it's the perfect house for you, think about a renovation loan. With a renovation loan, you can make changes to the house to have it look the way you want it to. It's very easy to do. It all closes up front and you do the renovations after you close on the house. So there's a whole procedure involved. You would go in and figure out what you want to do to change that house, put the numbers together, you take the sales price plus your renovation numbers, and that equals your acquisition. Your loan is based on the finished home with the renovations done, so that's what your loan is based on. So if you're building equity, you'll get to build some of that price in. So it's a great way to get the house to look the way you want it and live in the neighborhood that you want and have your kids go to the school where they need to go.
Awesome. Guys, thank you so much for watching our today's Pro Talk. Renovation loan is a new solution. Not everyone knows about that. And when you are working with us, we connect you with the best in the business. Joady is one of them. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any question. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions.